The power of daily self-education. If you truly want to transform your life, it begins with transforming yourself. You must make a strong decision that you are capable of achieving more, that you deserve better, and that you will not allow fear, doubt, or failure to hold you back. Every powerful success story begins with one simple choice, the choice to start, to take action, and to step forward. And once that step is taken, you must continue moving ahead, no matter how challenging the journey becomes. The difference between people who succeed and those who stay stuck is very clear. Successful individuals never stop learning. They don't wait for knowledge to come to them, they actively seek it every single day. They choose to grow, to expand their thinking, and to continuously improve. It is not about having degrees or formal qualifications, it is about having a mindset that refuses to settle. The world is changing constantly, and if you are not learning, you are falling behind. Most people stop learning once they leave school. They believe education ends with a certificate or degree. But the truth is, real learning begins when you take responsibility for your own development. No one will force you to learn, and no one will simply hand you success. You must decide every day that you will improve and become better than you were yesterday. Imagine two individuals starting their careers at the same time. One does only what is required, never reads, and never looks for knowledge beyond instructions. The other spends time daily learning something new, reading books, listening to valuable discussions, and studying the experiences of successful people. Time passes, 1 year, then 5 years. Who do you think will be ahead? The answer is clear. Growth happens daily. The small actions you repeat every day shape your future self. Learning is not always easy. It demands discipline and effort. Some days you won't feel like reading. Some days distractions will feel more attractive. But success does not respond to your feelings, it responds to your actions. Even spending just 20 or 30 minutes each day on focused learning can completely change your mindset. Think about it, if you read just 10 pages a day, you will complete over 3,600 pages in a year. That equals dozens of books, countless ideas, and endless opportunities to improve your life. The most successful people in the world share one habit: they never stop learning. Whether through books, podcasts, mentors, or real-life experiences, they are always growing. They understand that knowledge becomes powerful only when it is applied. They don't just gather information, they use it to make smarter decisions, create opportunities, and develop their abilities. Some people say they don't have time to learn. But the truth is, it's not about time, it's about priorities. How much time is spent on social media, watching useless content, or having conversations that bring no value? If time exists for distractions, then time exists for learning. Success is not luck, it is preparation. And those who prepare are the ones who succeed. Learning is not limited to books. It exists in your conversations, your experiences, the questions you ask, and how you observe life. Every situation teaches something. Every mistake, every failure, every challenge carries a lesson, if you are willing to notice it. Train your mind to look for growth in every situation. Your mind is your most powerful tool. But like any tool, it becomes weak if not used properly. If you don't challenge your thinking, it becomes limited. If you don't push yourself to grow, you remain the same. And in a fast-moving world, staying the same means falling behind. You owe it to yourself to invest in your growth, not for others, not for approval, but for yourself. The more you learn, the more opportunities you create. The more you educate yourself, the more doors open. And the more consistent you are in growing daily, the closer you get to becoming who you are meant to be. How you begin your morning shapes your entire day. If you wake up tired, scroll your phone immediately, or rush without a plan, your day will feel chaotic. But if you wake up with purpose, with a routine that strengthens your mind and body, everything changes. Success does not begin when opportunities arrive, it begins with discipline and structure in your daily life. And it starts with your morning routine. Most people live on autopilot. They wake up late, rush through their morning, and just try to get through the day. They don't prepare mentally, set goals, or focus on growth. Then they wonder why they feel stuck. The truth is simple: success is not built in one big moment. It is built through small daily habits. Your morning is your foundation. If the foundation is weak, everything else becomes unstable. That is why successful people follow strong morning routines. They know the first hour of the day shapes their mindset and performance. Imagine two people waking up at the same time. One keeps pressing snooze, checks their phone, and rushes without direction. The other wakes up with intention, spends time in silence, reads something positive, moves their body, and sets goals. Who will have a better day? The answer is obvious. A powerful morning routine doesn't have to be complicated, it just needs to be intentional. Start with silence. Take a few moments to breathe, reflect, or feel gratitude. Reading is powerful, even 10 pages daily builds knowledge over time. Movement matters. Exercise boosts energy, clarity, and confidence. Set goals. Decide what you want to achieve instead of letting the day control you. Your morning routine is your advantage. It separates those who control their life from those who don't. Even 30 minutes can make a difference. The people around you shape your mindset, beliefs, and future. Negative people create negative thinking. Positive influences create growth. You don't need the perfect environment, you can create it by choosing what you consume mentally. Read, listen, and learn from the right sources. Knowledge can transform your life, but only if you use it. Look at your circle. Are they helping you grow? Be intentional with your time and energy. Knowledge is everywhere, use it wisely. Every challenge teaches something. Every failure has a lesson. Successful people see obstacles as growth opportunities. Failure is not the opposite of success, it is part of it. Your mindset shapes everything. Discipline is the key to turning dreams into reality. Motivation fades, but discipline stays. Show up daily, even when you don't feel like it. Success is built on consistency. Stop waiting, start now. Growth begins when you accept you are not finished. Never stop learning. Never stop improving. Your future depends on what you do today. Choose growth. Choose discipline. Choose learning. And never stop becoming better. If this message touched your heart, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more.